Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to permanently uninstall Microsoft Edge in a Windows PC. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up Chrome and search Revo Uninstaller. You just need to select the free download option under Revo Uninstaller site. Now select the free download option first. It will start downloading. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. Select the finish option. After the installation done, the program will open up like this. In search, you just need to type Edge. Comes up Microsoft Edge, right click and select uninstall option and select OK and select the continue option. Set the scanning mode to advanced and select scan option. Now select all option and select delete option and select yes. Again select all and select delete option and select yes. After getting this done, just to click on OK. Just to close stuff here. And now as you can see, Microsoft Edge has been uninstalled. So that's all you have to do it guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.